Okay, so this is Stock Bro. I'm very tired. Trading on the West Coast Pacific time is not ideal for you day traders, but unless you're a night owl, it can actually, and I am a night owl, but I've been doing day owl I've been the day owl too lately. So I've been burning the candles on both ends. But that said, I just quickly wanted to say that I'm watching Jerome Powell quickly on the Fed. What he basically said was they're going to do anything they can. They're going to use whatever tools they have in their toolbox to keep the market afloat, to increase jobs again, basically, because we're still in this nightmare. There's certain industries like service industries that are really struggling still. Of course, anywhere where people have to congregate, that's not, those people are suffering. Unfortunately, low jobs and minorities are suffering too. And I don't know what they're going to do to there's a limited amount of help that they can do, but they are basically saying they're going to do everything they can, and even if that means going above what they never usually do, which is a 2% inflation, they're going to try to inflate us out of this nightmare. And that means if the inflation goes up to 3%, that's fine, because they're saying over years we're aiming for it to be 2% over the average of years, which is, I think, different. And I think that the market's going to end up taking that. The market's in a little bit of a risk-off mode, I think, with numbers. We've seen really great numbers, and the market's sold off some stocks that, like Microsoft yesterday had great numbers. They even made a statement saying, we're seeing this new wave, into technology. It's almost like a whole new phase of this technology era has begun. A whole new phase has begun. Something that was really powerful, and I thought, wow, this is a huge statement. And at the end of the day, I think a lot of these tech stocks have rallied a lot, and so it's kind of like, okay, well, you're up at these valuations because we kind of knew you were doing gangbusters already, and so people are kind of selling the news. But the overall take on what the Fed, I think, is saying is positive. And as I can see now, the market has already rallied 60 bips from where it just was when I started to make this video. So I think we go higher on this because they're saying we're going to do everything we can to keep us out. And the fact that they're willing to go above 2% inflation even, it does say a lot. So that is my thoughts on that. And I'm going to make another video on GameStop next. If you like this, subscribe to the program.